Hey everybody! In this video, let's see how to create and manage Workpapers in Zoho Practice. As an accountant, managing your client's financial data across multiple reports, tasks, and journals can quickly become overwhelming, especially when you need everything in one place for a review. Zoho Practice lets you create Workpapers to organize all of that: line accounts, tasks, client requests, and adjustment journals in a single structured workspace. This is what Workpapers help you do. In this video, we will learn all about it. In this video, we will cover the following topics: creating a workpaper, Overview tab, Documents tab, Book Review tab, Statements tab, Other actions. Let's get started. Creating a workpaper. Let's see how to create a workpaper in Zoho Practice. Go to Workpaper on the left sidebar. Click plus New in the top right corner. In the New Workpaper pop-up, enter the workpaper name. Select the client you want to associate with this workpaper. Select the accounting method here. Here we have two types of accounting methods. Accrual basis. Revenue and expenses are recorded even if cash hasn't been received or paid. Cash basis. Revenue and expenses are recorded only when cash is received or paid. Select the date range for this workpaper. Click Save. You have successfully created a workpaper. Overview tab. Once the workpaper is created, you will land on the Overview tab. This tab gives you a complete summary of everything associated with the workpaper. The Overview tab includes the following sections: trial balance, tasks, client requests, adjustment journals. Let's look at it one by one. Trial balance. The trial balance section displays the details of the accounts in the trial balance report. It shows the number of accounts marked as prepared, the number of accounts that are not prepared, and the number of accounts marked as verified. Note that only prepared accounts can be marked as verified. You can also view similar details in the balance sheet and profit and loss report sections. Tasks. The tasks section displays the tasks and subtasks that are associated with the workpaper. These tasks are created in the Book Review tab for individual line accounts. Client requests. The client requests section displays the client requests associated with the workpaper. These are also created in the Book Review tab for individual line accounts. Adjustment journals. The Adjustment Journals section displays the list of journals created for adjustments in the Book Review tab. Note that only journals in the published state will be displayed here. Documents tab. The Documents tab displays the list of files associated with the workpaper. Let's see how to attach files and create folders here. Go to Workpaper on the left sidebar and select the workpaper. Navigate to the Documents tab. Slide the Attachments toggle in the top right corner. Click Upload File and select the file you want to attach. The file will be uploaded to the workpaper. You can also create folders to organize your files under the Documents tab. Slide the Folders toggle in the top right corner. Click plus New Folder. Enter the folder name in the pop-up that appears. Click Save. You can now upload files into this folder. There are a few more actions you can perform in the Documents tab. You can delete a file by hovering over it, clicking the More icon, and selecting Delete. To edit or delete a folder, select the folder, click the More icon in the top right corner, and select Edit or Delete accordingly. Book Review tab. The Book Review tab displays the list of accounts and their transactions associated with your client's accounting application reports. These reports include trial balance, balance sheet, and profit and loss. There are several actions you can perform here. Let's look at it one by one. Mark as prepared. When you have reviewed a line account and its associated transactions, you can mark it as prepared. Check the unprepared box next to the line account you have reviewed. The status will be updated in the Activity History section of the Overview tab. Mark as verified. Once a line account is marked as prepared, you can validate it and mark it as verified. Check the unverified box next to the line account you have verified. Note that you can mark a line account as verified only when it is already marked as prepared. The status will be updated in the Activity History section of the Overview tab. Attach files. You can attach relevant documents to your line accounts to ensure accuracy and provide audit evidence. In the Book Review tab, select the report in the top left corner. Click the Attach icon near the required line account. In the Attachments pop-up, click Upload your files and select the required file. Note that you can attach a maximum of 5 files with 10 megabytes each. You can also add comments to your line accounts for internal use. In the Book Review tab, select the report in the top left corner. Hover over the required line account and click the Comments icon. In the Comments pane, enter your comment and click Add Comment. You can view these comments in the Activity History section of the Overview tab. Create Task. You can create and associate tasks to a line account to track and manage specific entries. In the Book Review tab, select the report in the top left corner. Hover over the required line account, click the More icon, and select Tasks from the drop-down. In the Associated Tasks pane, click plus New in the top right corner. Enter the required details in the New Task pop-up and click Save. You can view this task in the Tasks section of the Overview tab and also in the Tasks module. You can also create a subtask for the task associated with a line account. Create Client Request. You can create and associate client requests with a line account to address specific inquiries related to that account. In the Book Review tab, select the report in the top left corner. Hover over the required line account, click the More icon, and select Client Requests from the drop-down. Click plus New in the Associated Client Request pane. Enter the required details in the New Client Request pop-up and click Save. You can view the client request in the Client Request section of the Overview tab and also in the Client Request module. Add New Journal. When there is a mismatch in the balances of a line account, you can add an adjustment journal to ensure the records are accurate. In the Book Review tab, select the report in the top left corner. Click Add New Journal in the top right corner. Enter the required details in the New Journal page and click Save. The journal will be displayed in the Adjustment Journals section of the Overview tab. Import Journal. You can also import journals into the Book Review tab. Click Import at the top of the report. In the Import pop-up, select the report for which you want to import the journal. Click Continue. Click Choose File and upload the required file, then click Next. Ensure all fields are mapped correctly in the Map Fields page, and click Next. In the Preview page, click Import. The imported journal will be added as a line account to the respective report. Statements tab. The Statements tab displays the trial balance, balance sheet, and profit and loss reports of your clients all on the same page. Go to Workpaper on the left sidebar and select the Workpaper. Navigate to the Statements tab. You can print the statement or download it in PDF or XLS format. To print, click the Print icon at the top of the Statements page, preview the document in the pop-up, and click Print in the top right corner. To download as PDF, click the PDF icon at the top of the page. To download as XLS, click the XLS icon at the top of the page. Other actions. Let's look at some of the other actions you can perform on a workpaper. Let's look at it one by one. Edit Workpaper. Go to Workpaper on the left sidebar and select the workpaper you want to edit. Click Edit in the top right corner. In the Edit Workpaper pop-up, make the necessary changes and click Save. Refresh Workpaper. Select the workpaper you want to refresh. Click the More icon in the top right corner and select Refresh from the drop-down. The workpaper will now be updated with the latest data from your accounting application. Select the workpaper you want to delete. Click the More icon in the top right corner and select Delete from the drop-down. In the pop-up that appears, click Delete to confirm. And that's a wrap for our video on Workpapers in Zoho Practice. If you have any queries, please write to us at support@zohopractice.com. Thanks for watching.